Let's be honest for a second. The Milwaukee-Eight is a masterpiece of engineering, but straight out of the factory, it sounds a bit too much like a sewing machine. You paid for a V-twin. You want that chest-thumping idol that shakes the mirrors. You want that power that doesn't fall flat when you try to pass a road train. This is the solution. The Star Racing 3030 cam, known as the Big Lope for a reason. George Bryce designed this to be the biggest cam you can bolt into a stock engine without tearing the heads off. It gives you that choppy potato idle you've been craving, and it backs it up with some serious grunt. Here's why it works. It runs that 0.485 lift, that magic number that means it's safe for your stock valves and springs with no extensive headwork required. It moves the power band right where you actually ride, from 1700 all the way through to 5500 RPM. It fits all 2017 and up Milwaukee-Eight engines, 107s, 114s, 117s, the works. Just a quick tip from a workshop though. Grab a set of tappet cuffs when you install it. Trust me on that one. So don't settle for polite. Wake up your bike. You can get the Star Racing 3030 right now at Rolly's Speed Shop, or just call your local dealer and tell them to order one from us today.